Hey everyone, this is Awesome Reviews, and in continuation of my previous video, I will be telling you more about the steps which you need to do in order to create stunning emails. So, MailerKit copywriting automatically creates high converting stunning email swipes in just 3 simple steps. So, you just have to follow 3 simple steps in order to create stunning emails. In step 1, just download the software MailerKit copywriting. There are hundreds of templates to choose from. Depending on your goal and your objective, you can choose a template of your choice and start editing it. Yeah, it's easy to find the right email templates for any message, whether you want to welcome new subscribers, you want to notify customers of a sale, or you want to wish someone a happy birthday. It's up to you. So you just have to, yes, create the template. After that, in step 2, you just have to add details and edit the template. Editing templates is now easier as you don't have to create a new message every time in order to access them. You can just quickly make changes only to the template and reuse it later. So it is an efficient and fast way to make changes on your reusable templates. And after doing that, you just have to download the template and voila, your stunning email is created. So it's never been easier to create pixel perfect emails. Now you can build your own stunning email from scratch or customize according to the choice using our copywriting upgrade. MailerKit converting copywriting automatically generates hundreds of beautiful email swipes all at the click of a button and comes loaded with useful template designs and features. And the best part is that it's 100% beginner friendly, which means that the beginners can easily use these templates according to their choice in order to grow their businesses. It has been designed by marketers for marketers. Plus, you can use it for yourself and improve your email open rates as well and make more sales. So, this is a win win situation for all, and it is a limited time offer only. You can upgrade to MailerKit copywriting at a discounted rate for a limited period. You can just get MailerKit copywriting now by clicking on the button, and I am also offering free bonuses to whoever does the purchase. In order to get the bonuses, you just have to click my Instagram profile, which has been given in the description box below, and then you can just send a screenshot of your purchase to my Instagram and I will send you the bonuses. So today marketers struggle to write email copy that gets their emails opened and invites readers to take action. Well, the truth is that email copywriting is not just about the subject line or the call to action or about the copy. It's about all of these things and creating emails that function as automated selling machines from the moment you click send. So try to ditch the pain and hassle of creating email swipes yourself. Just choose the one you like from our hundreds of templates, customize it according to your content, and you are good to go. So seconds from now, you could automatically create high converting email swipes with zero work, zero cost, and zero experience. All has been done for you using our own proprietary artificial intelligence software technology to create engaging, high converting emails. So this is a one-time opportunity. Don't let it slip past you and jump on board right now. You can just buy now at $67 and you are good to go. So just try to grab this opportunity as much as possible, as I am also offering free bonuses. To get the bonuses, just click on the link in my description box below, contact me on my Instagram, and I will provide you the free bonuses. For that, you just have to send me a screenshot of your purchase. Till then, I will see you next time. I will come up with the same amazing softwares for you and to make your life easier. Thank you.